guys. Okay guys. Mawala sa ano guys ba? Boring. Saka pa ma-upgrade ang boses natin guys. Boulevard ang title nito guys. I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever my love. Let's tell me you make me cry. I beg you please, I'm on my knees. If that's what you want to do, never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, what realize my pain, and we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I belong to you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never knew that it would go so far. Where you left me on that boulevard. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay. I'll let you while just for a smile. I love together, for I wish you a place I know, and took you where we could be happy together. Never knew that we could so far. Where you left me on that boulevard. Come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard. Come again, you would realize my pain, and we could be lovers again. Oh, di ba? Masaya. Dito, Bakulasi guys, medyo sikat ko dito. Kung dito na sa loob sa bahay. Kasi mahirap na sa labas guys. Baka kayo, isa kayo sa pumunta dito. Delikado.
Ayun na naman siya, yabang-yabang niya.
Saan takip ito? Guling isang bagtubig ay gamito na.